A glass ceiling approach is an approach where women chances of getting the job is prevented. It is due to the biased thinking of hiring a person or a male person that women may not be competent enough to play certain types of roles. So what happens that the glass ceiling approach diminishes the chances of women getting hired for senior positions. Senior positions are generally not given to women due to male thinking that women may not be able to lead the male employees, or they may not have such kind of competencies that are required in these positions. So this glass ceiling approach in the corporate world actually harms a corporation more than benefit it. Uh, to address the glass ceiling approach, it is imperative for an organization to consider unconscious bias training that is provided by Facebook company as well. Facebook company recognizing the fact that hiring employees have certain inherent bias that they do not know. These are hidden bias. So Facebook company initiated an effort to provide a training to them where employees get to know their own stereotype thinking that prevents a fair and transparent hiring process. So in the similar way, it is suggested that to address this glass ceiling approach, we must consider to provide unconscious bias training to the employees, or particularly to the HR people, so that they can understand that how to eliminate their own stereotype thinking to practice an objective approach towards recruitment and selection of women. I hope that you like this video. Thank you.